Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if not, thanks for joining me again today. So today I thought I'd take you along with me while I open up one of the gifts I received for Christmas. This is a really thoughtful gift because I do a lot of cooking and food preservation. If you checked out any of my videos, in particular using apples, so our family recipe of apple dumplings, the apple scones and apple cobblers, as well as the pork roast with cranberries and apples. For all of those recipes, I used a manual peel, core, and slicer. And that works very well. I've used that for many years. But here I have a KitchenAid Stand Mixer attachment that does spiralizing plus it peel, cores, and slices. So this will be really handy, I'm hoping, for when I do large projects using apples or other things I need to peel, core, and slice, or even just slice, or just peel, or even spiralizing. So let's see what we have inside the box here. So here we have the KitchenAid Stand Mixer attachment. It's a spiralizer plus peel, core, and slice. And it comes with 7 blades. It's model number KSM2APC. So if you have a lot of zucchini in the garden and you've ever heard of zoodles, this is how you can make them. So you would spiralize zucchini in order to make zucchini noodles. It also would be a fun way to prepare a salad or stir fry for some other tasty vegetables you may have from the garden or you pick up from the grocery store or farmer's market. I'm really looking forward to using this to peel, core, and slice, especially when I do big apple projects where I'm doing maybe applesauce or things like that, and I'm just trying to prepare and process a large number of apples. So here we have the box, and let's open it up. So we have an owner manual, and it looks like we have access to a digital quick start guide where they have recipes, guides, videos, and support and things like that. And that's all online. So inside of the box, we have the actual part that attaches to the KitchenAid Stand Mixer. So here's the post, and this goes into the front part of the stand mixer, much like numerous other KitchenAid Stand Mixer attachments. So on here we have the release button for sliding this guide along the attachment. Here we have the little post that you would skewer whatever vegetable or fruit or whatever you're working with onto. There's some grooves. You just click it in place. That way it will hold your apple or whatever when you're using this attachment. And here we have the peeler portion of it. So it looks like this just slides into place and it clicks in. And then we have our attachment blades, and they must be including the peeler as the 7th. So we have, this one has a little apple with the coring and slicing image on it. So this is a wider core blade. Here's a smaller core blade for slicing. Another small core blade with a different style slice. Then we have some spiralizing blades. So this is a nice wide spiral. It's like a medium spiral and a real fine spiral. So this was pretty easy to snap together, and then you would just add on whatever blade you're choosing to use. And again, it looks like it just probably slides right in. Let me advance it forward. There you go, and it snaps in. This will just guide it along. So you can place your apple, slide it back, secure it into here, and get on with whatever you're processing. If you've never had a spiralized zucchini or other vegetables, they're actually quite delicious, and it's a great way to use up some garden vegetables as well. So I'm looking forward to using this new attachment, especially when I have large food preservation projects or recipes that require a lot of ingredients. If you do a lot of cooking or food preservation projects or are thinking of getting into canning, this might be something you want to look into as well if you have a KitchenAid Stand Mixer or want to try out some different fun attachments for your machine as well. If you'd like to check out some other unboxing videos and product reviews and things like that, I have a playlist on the topic. And if you're new to the channel or haven't done so yet, I would really appreciate you subscribing. If you enjoyed this or any other video that you watch, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Well, I hope you're having a fantastic day. See you next time. Take care.